Welcome to Learn Twi with Opoku. In part 1 lesson on twi singular and plural nouns, you were informed that twi singular nouns form their plural nouns by having prefixes a, and and or sometimes also with the suffix fo and fro. And this is what we are going to treat in this lesson. So stay tuned. Now we proceed with 4 of those nouns that take prefix a in their plural form. The first among them is efie. Efie, and that is home. Efie, home. For house, in twi we have edan. Edan, that is house. Good. Efie, as I have told you, in plural form, it will take the prefix a. So, efie will become what? Afie, and that is homes. It's taking this prefix a. As soon as you add a to fie, it then becomes what? Afie. And take note, it loses the prefix a in the plural form. So it becomes afie, homes. Edan also will lose the e and take the prefix a. So we will get this. Adan, houses. Adan. And listen to how this a sounds. It sounds I, not a. It's not adan. It's what? Adan. So it sounds a, adan, houses, adan. Let's take ohene, and that is chief. Ohene, in plural form, it will lose this prefix. And then even this n will change. So in plural form, it will take the prefix a. Ahemfo. You see, it's also taking the suffix fo. Prefix a, suffix fo. Ahemfo. As I've told you, in plural form, it will either take the prefix a or prefix or These are the prefixes that in plural form they take. Good. Let's take this, osikani, and that is rich person. Rich person is osikani. You can do away with this o and say sikani. It is also understood. It means the same. Nothing changes with it. Good. In plural form, this o will go away and it will take a prefix a and also a suffix for. Let's see. Asikafo. You see, it takes this prefix and this suffix for. Asikafo. Rich men. Good. Now we can proceed and learn some of the nouns that also take in their plural form. Good. So we have opening. This word, some people say opening is also accepted. They say this. Opening. But if you say this opening, it's also okay. The two are okay. There's nothing wrong with them. So opening or opening, it means what? Either. Yeah. In plural form, the or will go away, replaced by what? And then it will also take a suffix. So let's see. Mpanyimfoɔ. Mpanyimfoɔ, and that is what? Elders. Elders. Mpanyimfoɔ. So we are saying that in plural form, some of them will take and please, it's not that, for example, a fie, you cannot say fie, no. It has to start with a. So therefore, this one too, it has to start with what? Mpanyimfoɔ, and that is elders. Opanyin, elder. If you say opani, then it will be mpanyimfoɔ. Mpanyimfoɔ. That is also okay. Let's go to the next one. Oba. Oba, and that is what? Woman. You can also use this also for gender. That is female. Oba also stands for what? Female. And it also stands for woman. Good. In plural form, this is what will happen. Yeah. In plural form, the all goes away and the B also vanishes. And they are replaced by and then ma, and that is what? Women. Women. Sometimes, especially those who are learning Twi, they will say mba, and when you go to the southern Ghana, you hear most Ghanaians who speak Twi, they will say mba. That is not correct, right? It's not correct. The right pronunciation is what? Ma, and that is what? Woman. Woman. Abofra, child. It will be this. Children. Mofra. Children. But singular form, we say abofra. So we have mofra, children, for you. Okay, let's go and take some of the Twi nouns that also take as their hot preface in the plural form. Yeah, with those that take N as preface in their plural form too, we have atade, and that is dress. Akonya, and that is a seat, a throne, or a stool. You also have a ja, which also means a stool, a throne, or a seat. These two words are used interchangeably, akonya and then a ja. But if we say a ja, actually what it means is this one. This is what we call a ja. In actual sense, this is a ja. And that is why we say Sikadja Kofi, referring to the golden stool of Asante. So this is a ja. However, most people use a ja for akonya and akonya also for a ja. Whatever. But if we are saying a ja, in actual sense, this is what we are referring to as a ja. We call it asiseja. So a ja. But you can use a ja for a seat, a throne, and you can also use akonya for also a seat or a throne. It is understandable. Good. Let's proceed and see how they form plural nouns. Atade will be this. Ntade, and that is dresses. Ntade, dresses. Akonya, it will be what? Looking at this. Thrones, seats, etc., etc. Eja. And that is what? Seat. Now we need to go to the next category of nouns, and that is kinship nouns, and then nouns whose plural form and then singular form remain the same. So, we will end the part 2 here. For explanations for nouns that form their plural nouns by having the suffix nom, and also those whose plural nouns and singular nouns are the same, check the concluding part, that is part 3, on 3 lessons on singular and plural nouns. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.